Triumph Trident 660 Best Motorcycles. With major events and public launches cancelled due to last year's pandemic, motorcycle manufacturers have more time to design, improve and build the best new motorcycles of 2022. And after a long period of worldwide lockdown, your thirst for freedom and the adventure will be bigger than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of life than with a new motorbike? Of course, there's a lot to consider before investing in any of the new 2022 high-end motorcycles. That's why we created this list to help you decide what motorcycle is best for you in 2022. But first, let's dive into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these 10 best motorcycles. More power, the need for speed, and with it, smooth and efficient acceleration, is a common reason to invest in new, more powerful motorcycles. The latest and greatest motorcycles of 2022 have powerful horsepower, impressive torque specs and an even bigger engine for top speeds, no matter what type of road you ride. Design improvement. Let's be honest, style is an important factor in choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer sturdy and powerful adventure bikes or are more of a sport biker, and regardless of whether you've been on the track for a while or are just starting out, 2022 has some sleek new designs for you. New technology. In addition to increased top speed and engine displacement, the best motorcycles of 2022 are also equipped with top-class electronics, rider assistance and advanced safety features that cannot be overestimated when considering the rugged power of today's most spectacular two-wheelers. Higher comfort. The enhanced technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only enhance your safety while riding and racing, they are also designed for greater comfort and convenience. With radar, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to give you the most relaxing and comfortable driving experience. More economic. Over the last decade, riders and non-cyclists alike have grown more environmentally conscious and manufacturers are increasing for demand. With upgraded engines, fuel efficiency is at an all-time high while emissions reach new lows and electric motorcycles are up and coming. In the long run, buying one of the top 10 motorcycles in 2022 can be a relief to the environment and your wallet. What is the best motorcycle? Now that you know the upgrades, types, and criteria for this year's best motorcycle, it's time to choose your new motorcycle. Without further ado, let us present to you the best of the best motorcycles. Triumph Trident 660 Style. Street bike. Engine type: liquid-cooled, inline-three cylinder, DOHC, 4 VPC. Displacement: 660cc bore x stroke, 74.0 mm by 51.1 mm. Max horsepower: 81 horsepower at 10,250 revolutions per minute. Max torque: 47 pound-feet at 6,250 revolutions per minute. Weight: 417 pounds, 189 kilograms. MSRP: $7,995. This agile roadster is a spectacular middleweight addition to the Triumph lineup. Like other Triumph models, the Trident 660 sports the torquey inline-three engine. Triumph is famous for its 10,000-mile maintenance intervals make it extremely economical and equally accessible to newer riders on a budget. Additionally, its lightweight, low seating position and slim frame make for easy handling and fun, dynamic rides. Conclusion: 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles. From innovative designs and more power than ever in terms of sports motorcycles, to nostalgic Paris-Dakar-inspired adventure bikes, and Harley-Davidson's bold new step into the world of ADV with a brand new, aggressive engine, this is probably the best year to shop for a new bike. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, pure horsepower, or off-road capability, there's something out there for every taste, and if you're ready to go green, a variety of electric bikes are on offer too. Whichever new motorcycle you choose, Monomoto wishes you a happy mile.